A CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is circling in a group stock of I'm about to be breaking all this down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Now here's the thing. This is in my demand zone and it has a very big potential upside, like a very, very big one. I'm still going to be sticking to my strategy that I've tested and refined over 45,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. But just like looking at CRCL, this thing would rather just not be a buy unless I see a confirmation. It began by me really being bullish when I had like a very limited amount of candles, but it turned out to be freaking Gucci, right? Yeah, $76, looking to take it to 104. A very nice delivery. And then from here on, the one thing that I'll hope I see is a double break, which in that case I only got the first break, and now if I see a second one like this, I'm looking to take it up. That's what this means. You know what I mean? So if I don't see the second break confirmation, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. I'll definitely keep you updated, but the CRCL also got like a bunch of receipts here in the Discord with about 44 receipts. And if you want to stay tuned and get stock picks, emails, insights daily, so click the first link in the description. It's free.